Good afternoon to you. As my mother would say, it's good growing weather over the next few days. It gradually warms up. All the dampness we've seen through the last few months gradually helping things grow quite rapidly. And we're looking at a sunny spell really as we move into the weekend. But unfortunately, there's a chance of seeing some showers. Those showers, really the fly in the ointment to an otherwise dry story. Well, let's have a look at what's happening right now. We have an area of high pressure just to the north of Scotland. That waxes and wanes a little bit over the forthcoming 2 or 3 days, then eventually starts to move its way westwards to lie to the south of Iceland. At the same time, this area of low pressure sweeps in from the southwest, and that's the one that's going to bring the change come the end of the weekend, with some slightly cooler air moving through, but also a risk of thundery showers moving up off the near continent. But in terms of temperatures, it looks like it'll warm up, certainly into the start of the weekend, and then on Sunday, and more especially Monday, it starts to cool down, with easterly winds freshening again once that low moves in. Now, for the moment, there's a lot of fine weather, a lot of clear skies, especially across the more northern parts of the United Kingdom. We've had these showery outbreaks of rain, which perhaps were a little bit more intense than we originally thought across parts of Wales, but they're moving away now. But the next line of cloud is starting to arrive. That will bring it, the threat of showers, I think, across a large part of southern Britain during the back end of the afternoon, more especially into this evening and overnight tonight. Still that mistiness and low cloud down those North Sea coasts as well, holding the temperatures down. So quite a range on the coast. In the east, 10 or 11 degrees. In the sunnier spots, we're looking at 16, 17, maybe 18 by the middle part of the afternoon. And with that sunshine, of course, we still have a problem with tree pollen. Pollen index quite high across parts of Wales and Scotland, but perhaps a little bit of rain helping to wash some of that out. And overnight tonight, well, there is a chance of seeing some showery outbreaks of rain, a finger of rain perhaps moving in towards parts of Northern Ireland briefly. Odd risk of some thunder as well here and there, some low cloud and mistiness near the coast, especially across the more eastern parts of Scotland. But for many of us, it should be a dry night. And then through tomorrow, we're looking at a chance of showers developing during the course of the day. Now, some of those will turn out to be quite heavy, even thundery by the afternoon, but they'll interrupt what is largely a dry story. So for many of us, we're looking at dry weather. But of course, the nature of showers is there'll be one just down the road, and yet the next village will remain fine and sunny. But it gradually warms up. Friday, a largely dry day, 22, 23, the top temperature. And come Saturday and Sunday, it's almost a repeat story. Just the threat of those showers coming up from the south by Sunday afternoon. In fact, we're having a better time of it than some of the countries in Europe. For Spain and Portugal, they're seeing some thundery showers, best temperature 15 in Madrid, and also some showers affecting parts of the Mediterranean. So we can make the most of our weather.